Today we are going to talk about how you can increase spam account, because you've been asking me things which can help you to increase spam account. And right now I'm going to tell you nuts and seeds which you can be eating at home in order to increase on your spam account. Remember, these seeds and nuts which you are going to know right now contain zinc, omega-3 and vitamin E. So if you eat them, my dear, at least every day, trust me, you won't remain the same. You'll increase on your spam account. Okay? But before I proceed, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256. Okay? Share the video to your friends. Okay? And of course, you can invite your friends to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256. You get me? So, number one, I want you to start eating pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are sold in supermarkets. Trust me, when you start eating pumpkin seeds, okay, my dear, you won't remain the same. This, when it comes to increasing spam account, to boosting performance, to increase stamina, you won't remain the same. Start eating pumpkin seeds every day. Number two, start eating walnuts. These are the best to increase spam account. Number three, start eating chia seeds. Go to supermarkets, ask chia seeds. If you don't know how they look like, ask Google, research from internet, you get to know how they look like. My dear, anything you don't know how it looks like, ask internet. Go to internet, make a research. Now, when you start eating one of these things which I've told you, you'll increase on your spam account. Besides increasing spam account, my dear, you'll start performing good during the competition and you'll increase on your stamina. So try out these things which I've told you. You won't remain the same. I love you so much. God bless you. Bye-bye.